crafting. I know it looks expensive and difficult, but it's really not. Anyone can do it. Hi, it's me, Fena. Welcome to Barely Making It, the show where I teach you how to craft something out of nothing. Drag should look expensive, but it shouldn't cost a lot. I'm here to show you how to make an entire drag ensemble for about $120. I went to 6 different locations. I was given a $20 budget at each. On this episode, I went to the dollar store. We have things ranging from $1 to maybe $10. And we're going to start our project with a dress, the base. First, I picked up these floral bed sheets. It's a queen size sheet set. Lots of fabric. $9.99. I picked up these children's tutus and this lovely $4 thingamabob. Some tools you're going to need for today's project. A sewing machine. I have this lovely Brother sewing machine. I love it. It's from Walmart. It was like $80. You're also gonna need a good pair of scissors. Some good thread. Measuring tape. We're gonna be using this to measure from your shoulder down to your knees. And whenever you get that number, that's how long you're gonna make the dress. What originally drew me to the bed sheets was that there's tons of fabric in there, okay? A queen size sheet set means you get 2 queen mattress sized panels of fabric. We always want extra because I say cut longer because you can always take away. It's very hard to add. I have folded my fabric. This is the long way. I've folded it once, together, and then over again twice. So what this does is we have a front and a back folded in half. You're gonna take your t-shirt, you're going to fold it in half, and this part always confused the heck out of me. You want to make sure you line up the folds correctly because you're going to be cutting on one side. The folded side that's not open should match up with the folded side that's not open of the fabric. The open side should match up with the open side of the shirt. Because this shirt has a little bit of stretch to it, I'm going to give extra room on the sides. There we are. Here we have the top of the dress. I'm going to cut these sleeve holes. Because it's a non-stretch fabric, I have to make the sleeve holes a bit bigger. I'm going to cut the neck of both sides of the fabric. Now you don't have to use a t-shirt. If you have a dress that you have at home that's fitted, that's not stretch, you can use that as a pattern, just fold it in half, lay it on the fabric. Here we have what some might call a muumuu. Next step, we're going to sew. It is important, though, to sew the fabric, the pieces together, inside out. I'm going to lay the fabric on top of each other, connecting the shoulders. This is designed to not be intimidating. This is designed for literally any average person with maybe no experience. I have got my sewing machine. She's all threaded up. I've got my fabric laid together. I have her on a zigzag stitch, which is good for drag, gives a little bit of a stretch when there's none. If I was gonna teach you anything, it would definitely have to be This is our base for our full look. These little children's tutu dresses, I'm going to cut them like so. So I'm thinking like if this is like off the shoulder. So I want to layer the purple and the pink. The top's completed. Oh wait, now what do I put on the bottom? We've got a tutu top, and I think we'll do a tutu bottom. Now we have this lovely piece of tulle, reshaping the bottom of the dress to be more fitted. We're getting to the bottom of the barrel, so taking the tulle, I'm gathering as I'm sewing with a zigzag stitch, gathering and sewing. This is long and dramatic. This is actually turning into something really freaking cute. Here we have a good start to our ensemble. We have frilly off the shoulder top, nice floral stiff base, and this like, you know, full ball gown ballerina bottom part. Here we have it, our base. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below. If you're following along and making something similar, tag me in your photos, tag me in your videos. I want to see them. Any suggestions on things you want to watch me make, leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching Barely Making It. See you next time.